We in motherfucking New York, nigga. It's like 5 in the morning. Pushing the Saints back at the city. This shit was crazy, nigga. Alright. Double cup, man. Double cup when I wake up. Activists like take up. Probably meeting my maker. Smoking exotic flavors. If I told the shawty I'ma blow the shawty, then I walk around like I don't know nobody. Upstairs, groupies waiting in the loft. Got a girlfriend, sorry, I ain't sorry. I ain't come to kick it with any of these bitches. See, money I be getting. Fuck up a shit, let it blow in the wind. Let's check my quarter, I'm bigger and bolder and better than all of these niggas that's buzzing. If it's a problem, my niggas are clutching. Pretty niggas still shoot up the function. Top of the line, I got my hand on my 9. Bitch, I'ma die by mine. I was told life was about elevation. Just pick you a ladder and start up the climb. Can't be afraid to take risk after risk. I'm a chip after chip, trying to stay on the grind. Was in the kitchen, cook grits, but they weren't really grits. They were bricks, mom, sorry I lied. I could make it up to you this time. Bought my mama car, she listened to my shit while she drive. I owe her the world. Send disrespect her way, you gotta die. Same way about my girl. Diamonds make them twinkle like her eyes. It's one thing to talk about it, another thing to do. It's one thing to talk about it, another thing to do. It's one thing to talk about it, another thing to do. It's one thing to talk about it, another thing to do. Breaking pills down, I can't help it, it's a habit now. Pipe the fuck up, turn the fuck up, promise ain't no coming down. You get burnt the fuck up, choppers on us if you came to fuck around. For your mom, she in town, giving head for some brown. I'm a dog off the leash, bitch I bite, I don't growl, I don't bark, I'm in silence, I'ma shoot up the crowd. If he want smoke, give him cancer, I'm gon' blow him down. He know it was a problem then, I bet he know it's a problem now. Came from the trenches, was plotting on riches, I made it, I did it, I'm shining on all of these niggas that said that I wouldn't be shit. I was shitting on them ever since I was in it. I fuck with a rim, with a Henny, and none of that. I put a coat and I sip it, no coming back. You caught a play, I'ma act like a quarterback. Got 100 and cash, I do not need a quarterback. It's one thing to talk about it, another thing to do. It's one thing to talk about it, another thing to do. It's one thing to talk about it, another thing to do. It's one thing to talk about it, another thing to do.